What up, guys? You're here with Candy at my shop, Gbody. I've got a lot of requests to go over this little 442. This is a real 1986 442. So it's never been touched. It's literally the original paint, never been hit, nothing. However, somebody has dismantled some of the motor and some of it's in the trunk. So I'm gonna get this little baby spider out of my face and we're gonna get it in the air, and I wanna show you what the pans and the frame looks like. A lot of people requesting to buy this car right now. I'm kind of partial as to if I want to sell it. But let's get it up in the air and I'll show you what's up. So this is an original 1986 442. Original paint, never been cut, never been touched. It came out of Port Alberni, so that's why the paint looks like this. Port Alberni has a pulp mill, which means there was a lot of acidic rain, and of course that eats the paint. The top end of the motor is in the trunk, believe it or not. It's all there. I went through it myself, and I don't know if you can see, but the floor is actually quite solid, and it is very, very, very straight and very complete. I do have the papers for it, and that's why I put it away, because there was no papers with it, and I had to request them. It's literally all there. And the interior is in great shape. This is probably one of the better bucket seat cars I've seen to date. So I'm gonna try to lift the hood up for you. It's not actually attached, and it's kind of really difficult with the fucking gimbal, so bear with me. As you can see, it is all there. The original block, the original motor, everything is there. I don't know why it was taken apart, and I don't know the story on the car. Okay, now that she's up in the air, you can really see that salt do its work over the years. This is all surface rust except for the lower door skins, which definitely need to be done. But you know what? It's more surface rust than anything. The frame is actually pretty damn cherry on it. Let's take a look at this. It's all surface rust. This is corrosion, once again, from being ocean side car, and then you got that pulp rain on top of it. This one looks like it's gonna need a body mount repair. It does look a little rough on this arch, but it's not cracked through and it's not rotted through. It's definitely savable. As you can see, those wheelhouses are great. Never been fucked with. Then this door is actually a lot better. And these pans are actually quite cherry. Look at those. You can definitely tell this is the original drivetrain in the car. The car has never been pulled apart. Cherry. This is all surface rust. Trying to not get my shadow in there, but look at that corrosion. That says oceanside car like no other. It's got the big fat sway in it, and the block's still in it. But yeah, so as you can see, all original 1986 442, never been fucked with.